Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Speak with Math. Here I am solving problems step by step with necessary theory related to that particular topic. Now look at the first question. Find the length of the curve x is equal to t square and y is equal to t cube between t is equal to 0 and t is equal to 1. Here the equation of the curve in parametric form. So we have to use the equation of length of curve in parametric coordinate to solve this question. Consider a curve AB. Suppose x is equal to f of t and y is equal to g of t is the parametric equation of the curve, and t1 and t2 are the values of the parameter t corresponding to the points A and B on the curve. Then the length of arc AB is given by S is equal to integral t1 to t2 root of dx by dt square plus dy by dt square into dt. I already posted a video to find the length of plane curves in Cartesian coordinates, and the link is given in the comment box. Now moving on to the first question. Find the length of the curve x is equal to t square and y is equal to t cube between t is equal to 0 and t is equal to 1. X is equal to t square and y is equal to t cube. First, we have to differentiate the given equation with respect to t. Then we get dx divided by dt is equal to 2 into t. We know that d by dx of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. Now the second equation becomes dy by dt is equal to 3t square. Now the equation of length of the curve S is equal to integral t1 to t2 square root of dx divided by dt square plus dy by dt square into dt. Now, in this question, the limits is given as t is equal to 0 and t is equal to 1. Now, dx by dt is 2 into t. Then dx by dt square is 4t square plus dy by dt square is 9t raised to 4 into dt. Here t square is common in these two functions, so we can take it as outside. So the given integral becomes integral 0 to 1 t into square root of 4 plus 9 t square into dt. Now put some variable u is equal to 4 plus 9t square. U is equal to some variable u is equal to 4 plus 9t square. Then differentiate it, we get du is equal to 18t into dt. Now the given integral becomes integral 4 plus 9t square is u. That is integral root u into t dt. T dt is du divided by 18. Or 1 by 18 into integral of root u is u raised to half into du is equal to 1 by 18 into u raised to 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 plus a constant c. Now this can be written as 1 by 18 into u is 4 plus 9t square. 4 plus 9t square raised to 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. And the limits running from 0 to 1. Here we know that integral of x raised to n is x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus a constant c. Now this can be written as 2 by 3 into 1 by 18. Apply the upper limit, then we get 4 plus 9 raised to 3 by 2 minus 4. When t is equal to 0, this term will 0. The remaining term is 4 raised to 3 by 2 is equal to 1 by 27 into 4 plus 9 is 13 raised to 3 by 2 minus 4 cube. Root of 4 cube can be written as 8. Now this becomes S is equal to 1 by 27 into 13 root 13 minus 8. 13 raised to 3, square root of 13 raised to 3. It can be written as 13 into root 13 minus 8. This is the length of curve. That is S is equal to 1 by 27 into 13 root 13 minus 8. Now the second question is, find the length of the arc of the curve x is equal to a into sine 2t into 1 plus cos 2t. That is x is equal to a sine 2t into 1 plus cos 2t and y is equal to a cos 2t into 1 minus cos 2t. Measured from the origin to any point. So we have to find the length of arc from origin to any point. In origin, we know that the values of x and y is 0, 0. When x is equal to 0, this becomes 0 is equal to a sine 2t into 1 plus cos 2t. equal to 0, that means t is equal to 0. Otherwise, this term will be 0 or this term will be 0. Or then sin 2t is equal to 0 means what is the value of 2t? Sin 0 is 0. So t becomes 0. Now you have to find the length of arc of the curve from origin to any point. So we can choose that it as t, an arbitrary point t. So the limit varies from t is equal to 0 to t. That is, t is any point on the curve. Now find derivative of x and y with respect to t. That is, differentiate with respect to t. The given function is x is equal to a sin 2t into 1 plus cos 2t. Just open the bracket, then we get a sin 2t plus a sin 2t into cos 2t. Now differentiate it. Then we get dx by dt is equal to a is common and it is a constant, so we can take it outside. The remaining term is a into d by dt of sin 2t plus d by dt of sin 2t into cos 2t. Or dx divided by dt is equal to a into d by dt of sin 2t is cos 2t into derivative of 2t, that is 2. D by dx of sin x is cos x. Here in the place of x we have 2t. Then that is another function. So derivative of sin 2t is cos 2t into derivative of 2t, that is 2, plus d by dt of sin 2t into cos 2t, that is derivative of a function into another function. So apply product rule, then we get first function into derivative of second function, that is d by dt of cos 2t minus sin 2t into 2 plus second function into derivative of first function, cos 2t into derivative of sin 2t is cos 2t into 2 is equal to 2 is common, take it outside, 2a into cos 2t minus sin 2t into sin 2t, that is sin square 2t plus cos 2t into cos 2t, that is cos square 2t. This is equal to, for the simplification we get cos square 2t minus sin square 2t. We know the trigonometric relation cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. So it can be written as 2a into cos 2t cos square 2t minus sin square 2t is cos 4t. Look at the right side of the board. Cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. Now This is of the form cos A plus cos B. So we can apply another equation, that is another trigonometric relation, that is cos x plus cos y is equal to 2 into cos x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. That is 2a into cos A plus cos B, that is 2 cos x plus y by 2, cos 2t plus 4t by 2, that is 3t, into cos x minus y by 2, that is cos t, 4t minus 2t divided by 2. Now find dy by dt. Just rearrange it. Y is equal to, just open the bracket first, a cos 2t minus cos square 2t. What is cos square theta? Cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. So this can be written as a into cos 2t minus 1 plus cos 4t divided by 2. That is cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta divided by 2. In the place of theta we have 2t. So here cos 4t. Now differentiate with respect to t. dy by dt is equal to a into d by dt of cos 2t minus 1 by 2 into d by dt of 1 plus cos 4t is equal to a into d by dt of cos 2t is minus sin 2t into 2 minus 1 by 2 into d by dt of a constant is 0 and d by dt of cos 4t is minus sin 4t into 4 is equal to, we can take 2 outside of this bracket, 2a is equal to minus sin 2t minus of minus plus sin 4t. I am doing all this simplification or rearranging the equation to make the integration more simple. Now sin x minus sin b form. Here also we can apply another trigonometric relation. Sin x minus sin y is equal to 2 cos x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2. That is 2a into sin x minus sin y form. That is 2 cos x plus y by 2. Cos 2 cos 3t into sin x minus y by 2. That is 4t minus 2t by 2. That is sin t. This is dx by dt. Now, the length of arc of the curve S is equal to The parameter t varies from t is equal to 0 to an arbitrary point t into root of dx by dt the whole square plus dy by dt the whole square into dt. That is 2a into 2 cos 3t into cos t, 2 cos 3t into cos t square plus dy by dt square. That is 2a into 2 2a into 2 cos 3t into sin t square into dt. Now take the common tape outside, then we get 0 to integral 0 to t, 2 into 2 4a. Here also 1 4a is there, and cos 3t also common. So take it outside. That is square root of 4a cos 3t square into cos square t plus 2a into 2a 4a cos 3t square into sin square t into dt, or that is 4a cos 3t the whole square under root of 4a cos 3t the whole square is equal to integral 0 to t 4a cos 3t. Now cos square t plus sin square t is 1. Another fundamental trigonometric relation. 1 into dt. Is equal to, take 4a outside of the integral into integral 0 to t cos 3t into dt. Is equal to 4a into, put u is equal to 3t, then du is equal to 3 dt. Now the given integral becomes integral cos u into dt is du divided by 3 is equal to 1 by 3 into integral cos u. Integral cos u is minus sin u. Now 4a into integral 0 to t cos 3t dt. Sorry, integral cos u is plus sin u. 4a into sin u is sin 3t divided by 3. The limits vary from 0 to t is equal to 4 by 3a. Apply the limits. Sin 3t minus sin 0 is equal to 4 by 3a sin 3t. Sin 0 is 0. this is the final answer. 4 by 3a into sine 3t. Thank you.